On this Father's Day, I wish it is a Parents' Day. When we say father, generally we look at it as a role of protection. Many times, when you are in tough or stressful situations, you look forward for your father's protection, be it emotional or social. I learned valuable lessons from my father, that money is only to meet needs, and every person you meet in life has a role to play in your life. Of course, today I don't have him with me, but then the lessons I still have in my heart. But mother gives life, but father gives, or he helps you, or he's someone who is always there for you for every survival need. And however, the role of a father seemed to be not very clear. Socially, it is restricted to identity of a family, social identity of the family, and I feel it's a very narrowed down kind of stereotype. I have lots of memories. I'm sure many of you has. So I'm a father's girl, but life will take many such situations, such turns, and I never understood until I lost those precious moments. And then I am sure many of you connect to my feelings. He is the first playmate, and you always look forward from the time you start walking for your father to take you out, show the world around. And assessing the value of a father with how much father earns is a very sick way of looking at it. I feel it is much more and much more than what he brings to you in terms of material, in terms of whatever that he provides you. And I don't think there is an end for the role of a father. Mother's role is very easy to identify as a nourishment or as a provider, and but father's role continues for a long time. Even when you become an adult, the role of a father, I don't think it will ever end. I hope some of you can connect to my feelings, and on this day I wish all of you to kind of hold those best memories and best moments with your father, those precious moments that live forever in your hearts. Happy Father's Day to all. Thank you.